Hello, how is everyone doing out there? In this quick one, I just want to show you how you can get the quantitative bots on your home screen without downloading an app. Because you understand this is a new website, there is no an application yet, but this is how you can get it easily on your home screen without any struggle. So the simplest thing that you just need to do, you head over to Google and you're going to write quantitativeBots.com. This is the official website. I'm going to link it in the video description in case you want to check it out. And after writing this, then you hit on search and just give it a minute for the website to load. Well, the website is opening now. Okay, and pretty much this is the home screen of quantitatevebots.com. This is the official website. This is how the homepage looks like, and here are the plans. So just want to show you how you can get this website on the home screen. So this thing that you just need to do, you just need to head over to these buttons right here. Let me just select a different color. Okay, so you just come to these buttons right here in the upper corner, in the upper right corner right here. You just head over to these three buttons right. So when you tap there, you will see this screen, and the only thing that we are interested is add to home screen, right? So you tap on add to home screen, and this is going to come, and you just tap on add. Okay, add. So again, continue to add. Good, shortcut quantitative home screen has been created. So let me just get back, and wow, this is amazing. Okay, this is amazing. So this is the shortcut that we have created right now with the quantitative bots logo, and you can pretty much move it around your home screen to make sure you get it in the right position that you want. So when you tap there, you see how it's going to open. It's just like an application, right? There's nothing like you're using Google Chrome. There's nothing like you're just like using an application. So this is how you can get any website that doesn't have an application look like an application. So you can check over the About Us page, and this is how it's loading, right? You can see here the search bar with the Google blah 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 is not there, right? So it is looking like you're running it on an application. It's like an application, guys. So you can check over the plans. Okay, it looks like exactly an application. The customer care service, okay, opening there. So guys, this is it. Just wanted to show you how you can get this or how you can get any website without an application appear like an application. So this is it, guys. Like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in another one.